Jamaica cool vibes. Do you like it, guys? Comment below and let me know if you like my cup. Wagwan this and that family, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trisha and I'm so happy to have you here. Now if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. I really love to interact with you guys. Alright guys, so Jamaica Day is coming up and I have to show you guys my slippers. Comment below and let me know if you like it. My kids are saying that they don't like it. So I'm going to be wearing this on Jamaica Day. I'm not even sure what I'm going to wear it. But can you guess where I bought it, guys? I bought it on Temu or whatever they call it. I believe I type in Jamaican sandals and this is what came up. Alright, so let me know in your comment if you love it. I also went into Fontana to get one of these big cups. And this is what I got. Jamaica cool vibes. Do you like it, guys? Comment below and let me know if you like my cup. Yes, so you guys are gonna see a lot of me drinking and vlogging or making content. And then I saw one of my friends with this hat and I had to take it. He said, beg me the hat then, and he gave it to me. And guess where the hat is made? Made in China. You know what? I realized that most of the products that I see around, like when I walk around different stores here in Jamaica, in Montego Bay, most of the products that have Jamaica written on it, guess where they are made? In China. So my question is, do you think that Jamaicans are doing enough to secure our brand? Or, because our brand is big enough. Let me put on my hat. Whoa. Put it down here, so. Like it. So I was saying that our brand is big, but are we doing enough to own our brand? Now, the reason why I started this channel was to explore Jamaica and for the diaspora and other people to learn more about our country, Jamaica. I am not sure if I'm doing a good job so far, so I wanted to comment below and let me know if you think I am doing a good job. I also want you to give me video ideas. What is it that you want to see? Because I want to make sure that the content that I am putting out there, it is what you want. Since of late, to be honest, I've been like confused as exactly what kind of content I should do. Alright, so as a Jamaican teacher, I was thinking that I wanted to do the type of content so that when people from the diaspora come on, they can use the content to teach their children, about Jamaica and so on. And then at one point, if you notice, I do like Jamaican proverbs and I do like, how to chat Jamaican patoi, because I was thinking about visitors coming to Jamaica who don't know the language, that I could teach them the language. But I really want to ensure that I'm making the right content. Alright, so comment below. Guys, go back and watch some of my videos in the past. Go back and watch some of my videos. Alright, so you might be asking, what is the video about today? Now the video for today, I'm going to be asking my subscribers to comment below. So in commenting below, I want you to put the question and the answer down below, because I'm going to be asking some questions about Jamaica that I think others should know, and you're going to have to tell me the number to the question that you're answering. Ready? Let's go. Alright, so question number 1. Get ready to answer. What does the Jamaican patoi midday mean? Comment below. So that's question number 1. Alright, so let's go to question number 2. Which parish in Jamaica is known as the land of wood and water? Which parish is known as that? Land of wood and water. Alright? That's number 2. Question number 3. What is the national dish of Jamaica? So you're going to write down the name of the number of the question and the answer. Alright. Question number 4. What does small up yourself mean in Jamaican patoi? If I say to you, small up yourself, what does it mean? Don't forget to comment below. I'm going to be responding and I will let you know if you are correct. Number 5. Who was the first national hero of Jamaica? Comment below, guys, and let me know. Is it Nanny of the Maroon? Is it Marcus Garvey? Is it Paul Bogle? Let me know. Alright, number 6. What is a traditional Jamaican dance that is originated from the ska music? Comment below. That's question number 6. Alright. Over now to question number 7. What is the name of the fastest man in the world who is Jamaican? That's number 7. I think everybody should know that one. Everybody should know that one, don't? Alright. Question number 8. What do Jamaicans call a street party with music and dancing? That's question number 8. Comment below. Let me know. Alright, if you want to comment on all the questions, go ahead. I'm going to highlight the persons who got the most answers correct. Alright, question number 9. What does one drop refer to in Jamaican music? One drop. Comment below. Alright. Question number 10. What is the meaning of the Jamaican proverb, every mika make a moko? That's number 10. Are you able to answer the question so far? Let me know. Question number 11 now. It says, which Jamaican festival celebrates the island's rich cultural heritage every summer? Which Jamaican festival celebrates the island's rich cultural heritage every summer? Comment below. Comment below. Alright, let's go to question number 12. Are you getting the answers correct? What is the meaning of me a go nyam some food in English? Me a go nyam some food. Alright. Question number 13. Which popular Jamaican drink is made from sorrel, flowers, ginger, and sugar? Alright, question number 14. What is the name of the famous Blue Mountain product that Jamaicans and tourists love? Comment below, let me know. And number 15. What is a patoi in Jamaica? Alright, so some of you may have to go and research to get the answers, while some of you are Jamaicans and you already know the answer. So comment the number and comment the answers below. Don't be shy, because I'm going to respond. I'm going to tell you if you are okay. It's bye for now, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and watch some of my other videos and stick around. Make sure you answer up the questions. Love you guys. See you in my next video.